Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What was Abu Jahl called before going against Islam? Your options are option A, Abul Hikam, or option B, Abu Tufail. The right answer is option A, Abul Hikam. Where was the first University of Islam established? Your options are option A, Medina, or option B, Turkey. The right answer is option A, Medina. Where does angels do tawaf? Your options are option A, Baitul Muqaddas, or option B, Baitul Ma'mur. The right answer is option B, Baitul Ma'mur. How many angels do tawaf daily in Baitul Ma'mur? Your options are option A, 1 lakh angels day and night, or option B, 70,000 angels day and night. The right answer is option B, 70,000 angels day and night. When did construction of Masjid al-Nabawi started? Your options are option A, 1st Hijrah Ramadan, or option B, 1st Hijrah Rabiul Awwal. The right answer is option B, 1st Hijrah Rabiul Awwal. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Hashr? Your options are option A, the victory, or option B, the gathering. The right answer is option B, the gathering. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Mumtahina? Your options are option A, the tested, or option B, the most gracious. The right answer is option A, the tested. What is the meaning of Surah As-Saff? Your options are option A, the row, or option B, the scatterers. The right answer is option A, the row. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Jumu'ah? Your options are option A, the Friday, or option B, the Mount. The right answer is option A, the Friday. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Munafiqun? Your options are option A, the star, or option B, the hypocrites. Right answer is the option B, hypocrites.
Every new information you learn about Islam and
Correct.
share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.